this is Steph. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell button. That way you guys can be notified when I upload a video. Some of you guys have been asking, how do you guys do that? You guys just hit the bell button and then you should like click on it. It should say personalized all something or other or something. Just hit the one that says all of it. That way you guys can be notified when all my videos are uploaded. I am kind of backed up like in every vlog, but I've been working a lot. I've been doing stuff with my sister's college, and this adulting life has been having me crazy. But today is going to be a relaxing day. It's Sunday and we are going to Sugar Coat Factory. I've always wanted to go there, and today I'm just taking my parents. It's been a really rough time for all of us, but we are going to Sugar Coat Factory. I'm treating them with Sugar Coat Factory, and we are going to Foxwoods. You get Foxwoods. You know, si ustedes se piensan que para el casino, no es para el casino, es para comer, para que estos chichos digan gracias. Let's go on with this video. Here it was like under the sea theme, and I saw the tower. I don't know where it is, like the casino tower, and it has like zip lining, and I'm like, oh, I want to do that. This looks like movie theaters. Guys, this is the bathroom. Mira, outfit of the day. Oh my god, you can see my nagua. Anyways, Foxwoods. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's 36, but without alcohol it's 26. Berry bliss. Oh my god. Sugar Coat Factory, you're gonna bless my chichos. Guys, I saw this online and I wanted to cry because it's so cute. So guys, I'm getting the pan roasted Aura King salmon. Yeah. And then this, I wanted this, but it didn't have a price. And if the 8-ounce Angus fillet is $48, imagine this. I wanted to waste money, but not that much. And I wanted to get this, pero está 25 pesos. So guys, this place is beautiful. This place looks like I don't even have cejas. Looks like I don't even have cejas.
Papi, se ve linda.
Sí, se ve linda.
Y dice que lo boquen.
Gente, I think this place no tiene ni soda. Yo estoy muriéndome como que. But anyways, guys, I love this place. It's nice and fancy. I might take some pictures later. Y estoy así todo jorobado porque pues no hay stabilization para poner esta cámara. Look what came in. Quesadillas.
Sí, córtalo, córtalo, mija. Para que mis chichos digan gracias.
I like them chips and guacamole with salsa verde. Mira, que hay mucho cumpleaños. Guys, so this is mine. Salmon, potatoes, asparagus. My mom has steak, asparagus, potatoes. My dad has that. So Juan, I have a question for you. How do you feel not having food as just like we have food? You don't have anything. All you have is just quesadillas. You want a piece of my asparagus? So sad. But it will be coming soon. Espera. What is it called? La recompensa viene ya mismo. It should be right there. You know, they wouldn't leave you just hanging. They did. It just broke our heart. But at least our little fountain thing is coming. I call it fountain because I don't know what it is. Guys, this is good. This is good.
How are you gonna go home?
Look at my mom's evento. Sí, lo van a traer de mí. Mira qué clase de evento de la quesadilla. Esta loca está poniéndole y que pica de gallo en la papa majada. Pero mira, te dije que la recompensa iba a ser mejor. Mira, macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese con bacon. Mira, tú saliste mejor que yo. Wow! I've made an experiment today at Sugar Coat Factory. It's called the watermelon. The watermelon what? Yo, I want a duck. I want a duck to take home. Oh, at Sugar. Guys, I just finished being a gordita, and I'm trying to finish this thing right here. And it's too much for me because everyone else se rindió y yo como que ¿por qué se rindieron? Yo necesito personas que se lo vayan a beber. Pues, guys, para mis amigas y para el futuro novio. This is gonna be our date. Guys, look at these girasoles. I'm escalating down to the future. I'm just kidding, my next graduation. Guys, imagine having these chandeliers up here. Sure. My feet hurt so bad that I'm just gonna buy one of those and just walk around. Guys, look at, I see this. They didn't believe me. I wanna do this. Yo quiero hacer esto. El que se atreva a hacer ziplining, para el año que viene vamos a hacer ziplining. ¿Me oyeron? Okay? Comment below if you want to like be part of it. Mira esto. Sasha, yo quiero estar en eso. El que se quiera apuntar, me llama, me tetea, mira. Yo no quiero gallina. Hoy sí que le hemos dado candela, ¿verdad? Le hemos dado candela. Está tired. Y mañana tenemos un viaje. Yo no sé cómo yo voy a guiar. Porque yo no sé si yo voy a guiar. Yo soy una buena hija, yo voy a guiar mañana. So good. Look at girasoles, guys. Girasoles everywhere. I want to take a picture right there. For all of you Harry Potter fans, look at this. That looks nice.